Hello, hello, hello. This is Mrs. M, and in this video, I am pleased to announce that alux.com has ranked the #2 business right now is cleaning. It's right behind obtaining masks and ventilators. That's how serious and how important a cleaning business is. So if you're getting dressed, if it's early in the morning or late at night, and you're getting dressed to go to someone else's business, make sure that you look at starting your own. Make sure that you look at starting a cleaning business because it is in demand more than it's ever been and definitely needed. One of the things you need to make sure is that you have a system in place because after being in the business for over 25 years, one of the areas that we hear so many complaints is that the employees are not trained, the equipment is not right, the supplies isn't right, there's no system in place for safety. So you need to make sure you have a system. That's probably the #1 thing that we get complaints about. So if you want to make sure that you have everything up and started, start with us, Blueprint on how to have a successful and profitable cleaning business. It's a live webinar, and you can join by registering through the click listed below. Hopefully we'll see you there soon and have a fantastic day. And remember, cleaning businesses are very important, always have been, but now more people see the value in it. So get started with yours today. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.